In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your name or display name on Booking.com. Whether you've had a recent name change or simply prefer to go by a different display name on your account, this guide will walk you through the steps to update your information quickly and easily. So, let's dive in. First, you'll need to navigate to the Booking.com website on your preferred web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your personal details. If you're not logged in yet, look for the Sign In option, typically located in the top right corner of the homepage. Once you're logged in, you should be directed to the main dashboard or landing page of your account. Next, locate the My Account section. This is usually positioned in the upper right area of the page, often indicated by your profile icon or your name. Clicking on this will open up a drop-down menu with various options related to your account management. From the drop-down menu, you want to select Manage Your Account. This will take you to a more detailed section where you can access and modify various aspects of your profile settings. Here, you'll find a multitude of options, including security settings, booking history, and more. For today's task, we are particularly interested in the Personal Details section. Once you're on the Personal Details page, scan through the available information presented about your profile. This section typically contains your registered email, phone number, and the name currently associated with your account. It's important to double-check that you're in the right place and that you can see your existing name displayed. Now, look for an Edit option next to your name or display name. This might be represented by a pencil icon or labeled clearly with the word Edit. If an edit option is available, you can simply click on it to start making changes to your name. A form or text box should appear that lets you enter the new name or display name you'd like your account to reflect. Once you've entered your desired name, review the information for accuracy. It's always a good idea to double-check for any typos or errors to ensure that everything is just as you want it. If everything looks good, save the changes. The system might prompt you with a confirmation message or ask you to enter your password again to verify the changes. And there you have it. If the option to edit is not available, it might be due to certain restrictions on your account. In this case, consider reaching out to Booking.com's customer service for further guidance. They're there to help and can provide solutions tailored to your specific situation. Updating your name or display name is an easy way to make sure your Booking.com account reflects your current identity. Thanks for watching, and happy travels on all your upcoming adventures.